The Texas Gulf Coast is home to diverse bird species, including colonial waterbirds that nest in large colonies on coastal islands during the spring and summer. These birds are vital indicators of ecosystem health and require careful monitoring for conservation efforts. Audubon, Texas is a nonprofit dedicated to bird research and protection. They help conduct the Texas Colonial Waterbird Survey, where researchers photograph birds by boat and count them. Now scientists are pioneering the use of drones to photograph birds more reliably and less disruptively. While drones can capture footage of all birds in a colony, this also means scientists must spend more time digitizing the footage to get this more accurate count. Audubon has partnered with D2K to speed up bird counts using AI. Student teams developed a deep learning model that can automatically detect birds in drone images. Now we are taking a step forward with the model. We have overhauled its species classification capabilities to extract greater performance. We are also introducing a web app to speed up annotations even further. Visit our booth to see how our waterbird detection software can help revolutionize the way we study and protect vital species.